Tate's is a cookie manufacturer based out of Long Island, New York. The founder sold cookies from a small stand and grew all the way to a fairly large company. At Tate's Bakeshop, we use Infor Cloudsuite Industrial as an inventory management solution. All of our financial solutions are in the program. So we went to version 10 on the cloud, and migrating to the cloud has been relatively seamless and good experience. DRI assisted with the implementation from a project management aspect with extensive documentation, recordings that are reviewable. The implementation went well. All deadlines were met either ahead of schedule or on schedule, and there really were no pain points post-implementation. Our initial obstacles with the standard cost project were very tight deadlines, a mass overview of every item, every SKU in our system, but with the organization of the forms and structure in Infor Cloudsuite Industrial, it made it easy to either export data to make it reviewable for users that are more comfortable with an external solution like Microsoft Excel, or obviously in the forms themselves. With DRI and their tool, Decision 365, it provides a useful connection to external solutions that we have. For example, we have a banking solution with an external vendor that Decision 365 is able to communicate with that external solution, extrapolate the data, and insert it back into Infor Cloudsuite Industrial seamlessly. It also provides a console for review in Outlook. It's easy to use. The users are able to integrate it well with their day-to-day. Infor Cloudsuite Industrial, they provided us with more visibility into our item costing, so we could provide further analysis to business stakeholders. And we also saw an increase in productivity with our financial employees by extrapolating the data, be able to review any costing adjustments, or with our payment banking solution, we were able to have an increase in our free cash flow, which improved our bottom line.